Green Thumb Besties! Oh my god, I finally came around to try the Herb Rocket kit, y'all. I'm gonna show you guys how I worked it out for me, so you won't have to. Keep watching, I gotcha. What's up, Dollar Tree Besties? We back at it again, y'all. So first thing first, this right here is called Herb Rocket. It's like a seeding type of rug from Dollar Tree, y'all. And it's only $1.25. Now a lot of people got mixed feelings about this. Some people say it works, some people say it don't work. Honestly, I tried it for the first time and I was super duper surprised because guess what, y'all? It works for me. This how it comes inside a plastic bag. And it's like a rug type of vibe. I'm going to take it out in a minute and show you guys exactly how it looks. And just like that, they have basil, they have thyme, they have original, they have lavender, they have different flavors, y'all. And I went ahead and tried it and it grew for me, y'all. This how it look. So one side I have basil on the left hand side and parsley on the right hand side. I was super duper surprised. I had it outside in the summertime. Remember guys, I'm gardening from an apartment in New York City, so yeah, I used some soil that I had made together. This soil is not compost at all. It's just regular soil with some perlite inside. Now look how it look, guys. This how it look. This how it come. Like it come like on a raw type of like material. It feel funny. It look funny. I know, right? But that's how it goes. So you can like grow how much you want. You can cut some. You can grow a little bit, a lot. You can grow in a circle. You can cut it a triangle. It's like a mat. You know what I'm saying? And it worked for me. I was super surprised how actually it came out. For $1.25, you cannot beat that. And I just went ahead and I put it on top of my soil. I went ahead and sprayed it. Like I mixed it, then I went ahead and put soy on top of it and then mixed it again, and that's how it went down. Nothing special about it. I didn't do no tricks. I didn't use no fertilizer. I didn't use no plant food. I just went ahead and laid it down, sprayed it, put it outside the sun, and it started to grow. It started to grow, y'all, 100%. In the back, like a little paper on it, but everything is organic. You just do nothing but just lay it in your soil and it just supposed to grow. Some people, what they do is they take the rug mat and they wrap it up and they stick in their garden like that. Now let's be real, okay, God, let's be real. So for some people it may sprout faster, some people may sprout like longer, but for me, guys, I ain't gonna lie to you guys. When I put it inside the soil, it didn't start to germinate. The seeds didn't start to sprout until like a month later. Yes, almost 6 weeks. When I really saw movement, when I saw my plants grow. And I'm like, okay, 6 weeks? Is that a long time or what? They say it's supposed to grow real fast, but to each his own. It depends on your soil, on where you living in, how much sun it getting, how much water it getting. Everything varies, you know what I'm saying? So I'm not going to say it didn't work for me. I ain't going to say I didn't like it or I don't like it. What I will say is this. It's a good experiment, you know what I'm saying? If you see it, you want to get it, try it out. What worked for me may not work for you. And I absolutely yes. I would get it again, y'all. Look how tall that basil grew. The parsley didn't grow too good, as you guys can see. It's still like it's yellow and things like that. But the basil, y'all, look at that basil. Look how beautiful she is, y'all. She sprout. And the basil, like, listen, only one sprouted. You guys see how tall it is? Nothing else sprouted. See, on the side, it's nothing else there. It's just that one basil on the left-hand side that sprouted. But it grew, you know what I'm saying? The basil, looking nice, looking healthy and whatnot. But I would definitely try this again. If you ask me what number I get is from a 1 through 5, I will basically say a high 3. I give it a high 3, y'all. So yep, I give it a high 3 because like it worked it for me, guys. I had no problem with it. Like I say, the basil looking so good, so healthy. I absolutely use it for my dinner and whatnot. And that is it, y'all. So if you feel my video, make sure you guys subscribe, like, comment, share, all that good stuff. You got any questions about this Herb Rocket from Dollar Tree? Comment down below. You know what I'm saying? I got you. And that's what it is, y'all. So happy growing. And I'll see you in my next video. Thanks again for watching. You already know we bought the budget over here. Ow.